Paper quilling is an art form that involves the use of strips of paper that are rolled, shaped, and glued to create decorative designs. In this video, I am creating a mixed media art project with acrylic paint and paper quilling. Let's start by painting the sky with a turquoise blue. I let the canvas dry completely, then I dab on white clouds. In art, you usually want to start with the background, then work your way toward the foreground. To finish off the canvas, I paint the grass different shades of green. Let's move on to the paper quilling tutorial. I will be showing you the basics of paper quilling, but the shapes and designs are limitless. First, take a strip of paper and roll it up into a tight coil. If you prefer the coil not as tight, then remove the rolled paper strip from the tool and allow the coil to expand, then glue. Here I am making a hummingbird, so I am shaping it like a teardrop, paisley shape, and marquee shape, whatever shape that may look like a feather. To create a teardrop, pinch the end at one end of the coil to create a pointed tip. You can pinch both ends of the coil to make a marquee shape and bend it to create new shapes. How you twist or turn the coil is up to you. No matter what shape you mold the paper to be, it all starts with rolling it into a circle. I apply the glue onto the canvas or add the glue directly onto one side of the paper quill and position it on the canvas. I'm using tweezers to keep the paper shape in place while drying. I am using a tool to help keep the paper in place while I am rolling, but you can use household tools like toothpicks and tweezers for this project. I am making a black triangular shape as the beak. If using a toothpick or rod, it might be easier to hold the corner edge of the paper with your thumb. With the other hand, hold the strip to keep the paper line up perfectly as you roll. Make sure you visualize your design in advance or draw it out before you start gluing. You may even want to keep all the gluing till the end once you have it all positioned. However, I like to position it as I go, so I know what shapes to mold next. I have a paper quilling kit which comes with colorful pre-cut paper strips and tools. However, you can cut your own color paper into thin strips of 1/4 inch wide by 8 to 11 inches long. To finish off the hummingbird, I am making the eyes with black and white strips. Glue the tip of a short black strip to a white strip of paper. Now I will add flowers to my canvas. I am just going to make my flowers with teardrops of different colors. For the center of the flower, I create a small round coil. To make a tight coil, Place a small amount of glue at the end of the strip to secure. Let the glue set before letting it go. This way the coil can't loosen. The final piece is the sun. I am combining 9 strips of paper to represent the sun's color. Since the combined strips are too thick, I'm rolling it with my fingers. Add glue onto the canvas and release the rolled up paper to loosen whichever direction it wants. I'm letting the ends of the strip to be the rays of sun. I glue the end of the paper to secure it in place. Paper quilling is a fun way to make great artwork by shaping strips of paper into intricate paper mosaics. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!